Reconciling a pay-per-fill invoice in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to match a third-party keg pool's invoice against your own fill records, flag the mismatches, and mark it reconciled before you pay. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Pay-per-fill from your dashboard. If you use a third-party keg pool, MicroStar, Kegstar, or another pay-per-fill program, this reconciles their invoice against what actually happened on your side. Pick the month you're reconciling. I list every fill the pool operator billed you for, next to your own internal record of fills for the same period. Matching lines confirm automatically. Any line that doesn't match, a fill they billed that you don't show, or one you show that they didn't bill, gets flagged so you can investigate before you pay. Click a flagged line, and I'll show you the underlying batch or shipment record. Once you've resolved the discrepancies, mark the invoice reconciled. This keeps you from overpaying a pool operator invoice that doesn't match your actual usage.